Hi, my name is Talisa Cole. I am a realtor and a credit repair specialist based out of Connecticut. I came to you today to give you a video to talk about credit and give you a few credit hacks. These hacks will boost your credit all the way up. These are the hacks that I give my clients to get them the perfect score, to get them approved for the loan for the home of their dreams. So, the first thing I want to talk about and basically explain is the numbers. So your credit can range anywhere from 350 to 850. Now, so basically, first step that I want to give you guys, the first credit hack is to get a credit report. Yes. Pull your credit to see what's up there and what's affecting your score. So where you can get a free credit report at is freecreditreport.com. Go to freecreditreport.com, get a printout of what's on your score and what's on your credit and what's affecting you. So basically, the first step that I want to give you guys, the first credit hack is to get a credit report. Yes. Pull your credit to see what's up there and what's affecting your score. So where you can get a free credit report at is freecreditreport.com. Go to freecreditreport.com, get a printout of what's on your score and what's on your credit and what's affecting you. Now, installment credits is things like student loans, mortgages, car loans. Those payments are usually the same every month. So that's an installment payment. Now, what you want to do to make your credit score jump and skyrocket is to focus on your revolving credit. So focus on those credit cards and focus on getting those, only utilizing 30% of your credit card and keeping a balance on your credit card. Most people think, oh, if I just pay, the whole credit card off, then, my score is going to skyrocket. But that's not the case. That can actually hurt you more than it helps you. So keep some money on your credit card and only use 30% of the limit that you have. So that's a tip. And another tip is to ask for an extra line of credit. Every 6 months, see if you could get more credit, but don't use it. Ask for more, but don't use it. That will make your points skyrocket also. And another tip is basically if you have someone who you could trust, someone who has good credit, someone who never late on any payments or anything like that, they don't owe anybody and they have a real good credit score, like your mother or your grandparents or your father or anyone like that in your life who you could trust and who will trust you, they can add you to their credit card as an authorized user. This doesn't mean that they have to actually give you a card, but they're just adding you as an authorized user and you will get their points. So that's a good tip. If you have a good person around you where, they will let you do that, then that's awesome. And ask them if you could be an authorized user because you could get those points. You get those points and you get like the length of time that they had the card. You want it to be a major card company and you want them to have had that card for a while so you could get those. Also, a secure credit card. A secure credit card is another way where you can build your credit. You could build your credit and you could do it with your own money. I mean, that's the best way right there to build your credit. You're using your own money, so you're using something where you can handle and you can deal with. And with time, you will get offered credit cards once you do good with your secure credit card. So go to secure credit card route. You can't beat that. Contact me and ask me how, and I'll be sure to help you get you into a secure credit card or add your rent for good credit history. If you or anyone you know are having a hard time with getting into the perfect rental because of a credit situation, or something that's on your credit, then contact me and I'll be sure to help you get that situated and squared off, because no one should be denied a place to live because of credit or because of an issue or something that happened in the past. Contact me and we could do credit repair and we could fix those things. Those things are all fixable. Contact me.